इसको कर लेना, बहुत गुस्सा हो जाएगा।
एंड शाहरुख सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे, जैसे कि आपने स्टेज पे बोला था कि दीवारों को लेकर हमेशा हस्बैंड वाइफ में लड़ाइयाँ हो जाती हैं, सो कभी आपके और गौरी मैम के साथ में कभी इस तरीके की लड़ाई हुई कि ये दीवार अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, इसका कुछ पर्दा ठीक नहीं है?
यार आई थिंक मेरा एक बहुत बिलीफ है यार, स्पेशलाइजेशन। मैं जब फिल्म भी बनाता हूँ, जो भी काम करता हूँ, जिसका जो काम है उन्हें वो करना चाहिए। बाकी अप्रिसिएशन के लिए सब शामिल हो सकते हैं कि यार ये अच्छा लगता है, नहीं लगता है, बट आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव एन आई फॉर दैट डिटेल, सो वीव नेवर हैड इश्यूज। Similarly, when I'm doing films, my friends and family and everyone is like, yeah, so no, we've never had issues like that in the house here, to be honest.
जिस तरह से सलमान खान ने जो बयान दिया है रेप के ऊपर, तो आपको क्या लगता है सलमान खान को माफ़ी मांगना चाहिए? प्रेस में आके उन्होंने महिला आयोग में भी माफ़ी नहीं मांगा है, तो आपकी क्या?
Yeah, in the last few years, I have come to realize that I have made so many inappropriate comments myself. I don't think I'm someone to sit in judgment for anybody else's comments, to be really honest here. And it's not taking a side or not taking a side. मैं खुद इतनी बातें करता हूँ यार, हम कौन है बैठ के जाना चाहिए? जिसको जो करना चाहिए वो अपने डिसाइड करें. Personally speaking, yeah, I don't think I'm anyone to be making a comment on this. I'm so inappropriate myself. I've done some really wrong things also in the last 2 years.
शाहरुख, आपको पता होगा कि सलमान शादी कर रहे हैं, ऐसी खबरें आ रही है मीडिया को लेकर। एक मिनट, sorry, does not have stick to the agenda. Any questions on DSS is most entertaining. मैं सवाल पूछ रही थी, अगर उनको जवाब नहीं देना ठीक है, सवाल है, किसी को नहीं पूछना है, please let's stick to the agenda.
Mr. Arora, when Madura government started, they used to sell their merchandise 80% from the retailers, 20% from their own stores. I believe you all have also started your own stores. What is your target? Whether 50-50 or 80-20 or 70-30 from your own stores, what is your target?
So, we would like to present the complete D-Decor experience, our own stores as well as franchisees, exclusive outlets of D-Decor. And I think, it's a very large country and we are very young and learning the retail business, the last leg, we're learning it ourselves. And, God willing, we will have 100 stores in 3 years.
Shahrukh, we are talking about decoration and how rooms are decorated, on the stage. You have Abram, with you. How is this room decorated? Do you give any inputs? I mean, what is the kind of decoration that you have for his room specifically?
No, I think children decorate their rooms themselves. You can do what you want to their rooms. They'll redecorate it the way they want. I think the only thing you keep in mind is keep the edges soft. So I have these small little plastic things which you keep on edges of the table and stuff. बाकी बच्चों का रूम तो बच्चे डेकोरेट करते हैं, because you can put the best curtains which are from D-Decor in his room also, I'm sure, or the walls. They'll paint on it, they'll pull it. 3 days ago I saw him climbing one of your curtains, so I was so worried he'll just fall down and stuff like that. So children's room can be decorated only by the children themselves. Yeah.
So these people are not laid back. Actually, the camera is, so please excuse them.
I find they're very cool, yeah.
Thank you, Shahrukh.
मैं वो लेट के करो तुम लोग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, आजकल तुम लोग की चल रही, जो करो हम लोग सब बिठा लेता हूँ तुमको। नहीं, not at all. Please just be as you are. I've known you long enough. You can lie down, sleep, but जब भी सो D-Decor की चादर पे सो।
Hi Shahrukh, I just have one question. When it comes to brand endorsements, when it comes to celebrities endorsing brand endorsements, is it important for them to take responsibility for the brand? Because in between there was a lot of brouhaha about various brands and certain things not going right with the brand. So the brand endorsers were sort of held responsible. Do you think that's how it should be?
I think I answered it somewhere. And I like the use of the word brouhaha. It's nice. And I'm being patronizing. I like English, so I enjoy this. But I'd answer that. There is only up to, and I can vouch for most of the people who endorse, whatever celebrities they are. Everybody really wants to do the best brand that is possible. Some of us get fortunate enough to get attached with them. I'm sure when Ajay or Sanjay or anyone else that I endorse and lots of other products that I don't, everybody knows that quality matters in the end. At that level of business, it's not about a quick buck. It's not about shoddy stuff. It reaches. I've been there. I'm not showing off. When I started off, I didn't have access to a lot of things. But when I make a film, whether it's a hit or a flop, there's a certain quality level I have to maintain. just by nature of being there. So most of us would like to be working for the best. Most of us are getting opportunities to work with the best. And most of us are not fully well versed in how that business is done or how that product is manufactured. But we do give it our best shot. So it can't be a complete responsibility, so to say. And let me tell you, the best of things go wrong. Unfortunately, the most researched, and I don't mean to make a mean remark, but sometimes the most researched, well done, and I hope it never happens in life again, but a space shuttle can go wrong. So you don't know in technicality, there will be slip-ups. And if something happens, one needs to stand up and say, yes, it's happened to my product. I'm sorry, I don't have the full knowledge, but I can vouch for most of the people that I know. When they are endorsing a brand, they really are assuming, believing, and discussing and knowing as much as my knowledge is of these brands, that this is the best that is possible. But the best can go wrong. So for them, they perhaps are thinking I'm the best brand endorser, but my endorsement matters when my films do well, but some of my films don't do as well. Does that make them start thinking that my product is not good enough? So the best things can go wrong sometimes. So there has to be a limited responsibility for the people who are endorsing it. And yes, if there is an issue, there's so many checks in places for products that are coming out. And most of the ones that we do have those checks in places. Sometimes those checks also don't work. Things go wrong. So you need to have a mid zone of understanding this, not an extreme. That this person should be this thing, that person should be. I think you need to have a mid-level understanding of these things in the long run.
सर ये जो आपका ब्रांड है जो हायर इनकम के लिए या मिडिल क्लास के लिए कौन सी क्लास के लिए ब्रांड आप सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेंगे प्रोडक्ट
इस कंट्री में जो एक घर अफोर्ड कर सकता है उसके लिए
Shahrukh, recently on Twitter you put up a message, a rather cryptic tweet saying that you're a warrior, a dwarf and a guide. 2 bits about your upcoming films. Would you like to elaborate?
No, I wouldn't write a cryptic one if I was going to elaborate. No. But having said that, I've been reading. I sometimes just comment on what I read. So I was reading that I'm a warrior in, I think, Adi's film. Then I'm a dwarf in Anand's film, which I am. And I'm a guide, I think, in one of the other films. And a counselor in Gauri Shinde's film. I was just reading, and there were 2 other films I was doing, which I'm not, at this point at least. So I just wrote that, I've been reading this, and I just said, yeah, I'm a warrior in one. I don't even know, but I'm sure one day somebody will take me as a warrior also, and a guide also. And, so somebody started writing, the film is based on the wonderful classic guide by Devanand Saab and Vijayanand Saab. But no, it's not like that. I just commented on what I'm cryptically reading on Twitter. It wasn't making a comment on myself.
सर मैं आपसे जानना चाहता हूँ
Brand ambassador for Decor. After this, which brand, you are thinking to will be a brand ambassador? Probably some says Apple.
No, honestly, Badaram, I've never. I think I've always said this. A brand chooses you. लोग decide करते हैं आपकी performance पे, आपकी belief पे, popularity पे. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं बैठ के डिसाइड करता हूँ अपनी मैनेजमेंट के साथ, यार आज ना ऑरेंज एप्पल और बनाना को साइन कर लेते हैं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. या यार कुछ गाड़ियाँ कर लेते हैं, या कुछ सीढ़ियाँ कर लेते हैं, आज प्लाईवुड तो हो ही जाए, या माइक्रोफोन कर ले, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. एक कंसिडरेशन ये रहता है कि हम चाहेंगे कि वो कंपनी हमको एम्बेसडर रखे जिसका नाम बहुत है, और इंशाल्लाह हमारे साथ, हमारी वजह से नहीं लेकिन हमारे साथ और भी बढ़े तो खुशी होती, लगता है अपना सबका एक फैमिली का बिजनेस बढ़ रहा है.
दूसरी Decor to
So he's being modest. All brands, elephants dance with elephants. That's how it is.
No, honestly, I just wait for someone to come. As a matter of fact, there's some brands I even tell them I may be a misfit because I may not be able to give services which will do well for their brand. And I have a lot of discussion. I mean, they are friends. I'm very proud to be part of D-Decor. But I didn't know all this furniture. I'll be honest, I have no understanding. But no, I don't sit down and I wish for films. That's my core job. The brands always sign you. You are the employee of the brand. It's not that you sit down and choose and say, I want this, I'm going to take this on. No, you can't do that. I think it has to be the other way around, that you are an employee of the brand which chooses you.